welcome back to my YouTube channel. For everyone who's new to the channel, hi guys, my name is Trishna and I make videos on beauty, lifestyle, travel. Basically I try and incorporate everything on my channel. So if this is your interest area, please do hit that subscribe button because subscription is absolutely free. As you have already read the title, this video is all about getting ready with me for Diwali, and this is the look that I have created, and I personally feel this is a very nice, subtle, classic look. This is the kind of look which everyone can achieve because this is a very easy and achievable look. So without doing a lot of talking, let's get on the video and see how I have created this look. So for today's look, I'm going to start off with my concealer, which is Fit Me. This is Fit Me's 30 Honey. I have been using this for really long and I really like it. So this is a medium coverage concealer, and I'm going to start this off by applying on my eyelids and also a bit under my eye. So if there is any sort of discoloration, it can cover it up. And I'm gonna take my small little sponge and dab all of this. So I forgot to mention that I had already prepped my skin before I started the video, and because the skin is so dry and stuff, I had to apply a lot of moisturizer. So today I'm gonna use Nykaa's eyeshadow palette, Just Wink It in Sweet Sunday. So this is how the palette looks like, and these are the 4 colors that I'm going to work on, these 4 right here. So I'm going to start off with this color right here, which is a peach. I can't call it a peach, it's more of a skin tone color. And I'm going to repeat the same process on my left eye as well. This particular look will be very subtle yet very festive. So now that I'm done with both of my eyes with this subtle peach tone, I'm going to mix these 2 colors right here, which is a peach, a proper peach orangey tone, and this one right here, which is a pinky tone, and place it around the same area where I worked for the previous color, which was a skin tone. I'm going to take both the shades together, very little of it, and mix them and apply it at the same region. I'm just going to tap this and then work around in the same place. So as you can see, it's a very subtle pink peach kind of tone that's coming up. I'm gonna blend a bit more so there are no harsh edges that are left behind. So I'm gonna take my favorite brush. This is the blending brush from MyGlam, which I've been using for really long, and I am just gonna have a very soft strokes of back and forth so it doesn't leave any harsh edges, if any. Also, once you blend, the color looks more subtle, more soft. So now that I have blended out the harsh edges, I'm going to go in with this light brown color right here, and I'm going to add it to the corner of the eye, just like it will just be the placement of the product like this. I'm also going to add a little bit of dark brown so it gives that depth. I'm not going to go in the center of the eye because that's where the magic happens. So I'm just going to work around over here and a bit of here. I will not be touching the center at all. Now that my brown is set, I'm going to add a little bit of dark brown, which is right here. If you can see, this color right here, I'm going to add it at the same place and just give little more dark shade and more depth to it. And again blend it out with my blending brush. So now that I'm done with my brown placement, I'm going to go with the center of the eye. If you remember, I had kept that particular place empty. So I'm going to go with 2 colors. One is right here, which is more of a champagne white gold, and then gonna top it off with this gold right here. Okay, so now that my eyes are finally done, so this look is still not complete without the whole face being done. So I'm gonna start off with my face. Now I am someone who does my eyes first before doing my face, because there are a lot, most of the times when you're working around with glitter, there are chances that there will be fallout. It's like out of 100, at least 90 times there are chances of fallout. So I don't like colors and glitters falling on my face, because then it becomes really difficult to remove all of that once you have applied all the makeup. So I'm going to start off with Studio Perfect. This is the primer that I'm using. Also, this is the primer I'm using today is just so the makeup stays on for a longer period of time. Also, this is a matte primer because my skin tends to become a bit oily around my cheek area, so I'm just going to apply it around my cheek and a bit on my forehead as well. I really love this primer, the reason being it absorbs in the skin like a dream. It's just so beautiful. It also feels like a bit of moisturizer at times. So now that my primer is set, I'm going to go in with my foundation. Today I'm going to use Fit Me. I usually use Fit Me, the reason being that it is lightweight for me. It is just so perfect for me, not very heavy, not very light. It's just a proper medium coverage, and I'm in shade 228 Soft Tan. This particular foundation is for oily to normal skin. Now there are people who face issues with this particular foundation. So far, touch wood, I have not faced any issue. So I'm just making drops on my face. I'm not using little too much or little too less, just in perfect proportion. So now that I'm done with my foundation, I'm gonna go in. Okay, so she's just busy disturbing me unnecessarily. Can you stop going around? Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my contour powder. This is from Sugar. It's called Contour de Force Mini Bronzer in Woody Wonder. This is how the color looks like, and I'm gonna apply it around my forehead. I guess that's called temple area. So now that I'm done with my contouring, I'm going to go in with my blush. Now because it's festive season, I'm going to go in with my Swiss Beauty Glow Palette. This is how it looks like. I'm just confused what shade to choose because all of them are just so pretty, but I am probably, because it's pink, because I'm wearing a pink outfit, I am gonna go for this one and this one right here. It's a mix of, this is a more of baby pink and this is a bit of dark pink. So probably I'm gonna mix these two up and go for a third shade. I'm not gonna go crazy with the color because somehow these colors, like these shimmer brick, are really pigmented and I don't want too much of it on my face. Okay, it's already too pigmented. I'm just gonna take very little of it. So now that I'm done with my blush, I'm gonna go in with my lipstick. This is L'Oreal's Rogue collection. This is called I Amaze. If you have missed out watching the review of this particular lipstick, you can check out somewhere right here. And this is a subtle shade of brown and nude because we are going for a nice pink colored, pink brown, whatever you call it, kind of makeup look. I am gonna go with a very subtle lipstick. So now that I'm done with my lipstick, I'm gonna go in with my mascara and my kajal because I personally feel that Indian looks are incomplete without a bit of kajal. So first I'm gonna start off with my mascara, and this is called Double Effect Mascara from Deborah Milano, and this is like your volume and length mascara. This is a beautiful mascara. I've spoken about it on my Instagram as well. This reminds me that if you're yet not following me on my Instagram, you can check out the link somewhere right here and hit that follow button because it helps me grow, and of course following is absolutely free. If you can see the difference between this eye and this eye, there's a huge amount of difference. This eye, this particular side of eyelash has suddenly gone like, it has opened up. It looks dramatic and beautiful. So now that I'm done finally with all of my look, the only thing that is remaining is being ready. So let's quickly change to. So this is the final look that I have created for Diwali, which is subtle, which is easy, which is achievable, which is I feel it's more subtle, classic and simple, and yet very Diwalish, if I can say. So yeah, this is how my look would be if I am going out anywhere. I am not planning to go out anywhere because I'm allergic to dust and I'm allergic to the firecrackers and burning and stuff. So I'm not going out. Even if I'm going out, I'm going with the double layer of masking. So yeah, that's all about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please do hit a big fat thumbs up. And if you're yet not following me on any of my social medias, link down below, please do that because it helps me grow, and love is all we need. And you know, following and subscribing is absolutely free, and we Indians love free stuff. And till the time I come back, please do take care of yourself, wash your hands, sanitize, wear your mask and go out, and please don't burn crackers. This Diwali, do not burn a pataka, be a pataka is all I would say. So yeah, that's all about it. I hope you guys take care of yourself and miss me.